Go!
Hi everyone, welcome back to Jamila's Time. Today's video we're going all the way to Italy again and we're going to be making lasagna, the famous lasagna. For the new viewers, welcome to the family, and if you're already part of the family, welcome back to another video. Let's get started. So these are the ingredients we need to make lasagna. I have some lasagna plates. I have some pasta sauce. I have some minced meat. I have some cheese. I have some onion. And I have some broccoli. So first we're gonna make our minced meat. I just put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. So I'm done cooking the minced meat. It's almost ready. This is the part I'm going to add in my onions. You can add in anything you want. You can add in garlic, carrots and everything. But today I'm just going to use onions. So now after the onions have cooked a little bit, I add in my pasta sauce, a generous amount of pasta sauce. And then I'm going to add in my spices. So first I add in some salt, then I add in some aromat, then I add in some beef masala, then I add in some paprika, and I put in some pepper and black pepper, and then I put in Royco. I just add in a little bit of water because it's so thick. So our lasagna sauce is ready. So the next part is going to be making the lasagna and then I put it in the oven. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So first I put some lasagna sauce on the base. I always dip these ones in water. Some people do steam them, but me, I just dip them and it works for me. I make them wet. Lay it like that, the first layer. I usually just break this one in two, and then I put more sauce. And then we add on our cheese. This is optional. If you don't want, you don't have to put the cheese on this step, but I always like to have it juicy. And then we go for the second layer. So here is where the trick comes. Remember our first layer, we laid our lasagna plates like this. So the next layer, we're going to lay our lasagna plates like this. So you have to always, every layer you have to do it differently. So this next layer, we're doing it like this. You want to spread the meat all over the lasagna plates so that everything is inside, or else if you don't do that, that part of the lasagna won't cook through. So for my lasagna, I always do 3 layers. If you have more lasagna sauce, you can always do more layers. But for me, 3 are always enough, and also because my baking pan I use is not so big. And then the last stage is to put on our cheese. You can put on as much cheese as you want. I love baked cheese, so I always like to have a lot of cheese for the topping. So there you go, we have our lasagna ready. I'm going to put it in the oven at 200 degrees C, and it's going to bake around 15 to 20 minutes. So I know you might be wondering, what am I gonna use the broccoli for, since I had it as my ingredients, but I'm gonna have it as my vegetable. And over here I'm going to steam it. Under this steamer there is water, just that you know. So guys, our lasagna is ready. As you can see, it's done baking. It baked in the oven for around 20 minutes. So here is our finished product. I'm serving my lasagna with broccoli. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. What are you waiting for? Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next one.